Stem cells are the body's vital building blocks, responsible for repairing and regenerating tissues. A healthy diet rich in essential nutrients can support stem cell function and promote overall health and longevity. In this video, we'll explore the best foods for stem cell health. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries are rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, vitamin C, and anthocyanins. These compounds help protect stem cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. This may improve stem cell regeneration and protect against DNA damage. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and broccoli are rich in vitamins A, C, E, antioxidants, and minerals like calcium and iron. These nutrients support stem cell growth and differentiation. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, which have anti-inflammatory properties. This may reduce inflammation and promote stem cell proliferation. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients protect stem cells from oxidative damage and promote overall health. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. These are essential nutrients for stem cell growth and differentiation. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and others are rich in sulforaphane and other antioxidants that protect stem cells from oxidative damage and promote detoxification pathways. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin E, and minerals like potassium. These nutrients protect against oxidative damage and support overall cell health and repair. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are rich in antioxidants, beta-glucans, and other compounds. These nutrients support stem cell function and also support immune-regulated stem cell production. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are rich in ellagic acid and antioxidants that help fight inflammation and oxidative stress. This promotes stem cell proliferation and protection. Turmeric. The active compound curcumin in turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This stimulates stem cell production and activity. This also enhances wound healing and tissue repair. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and yogurt contain probiotics, which support gut health and promote stem cell function. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, catechins, and contains EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that promotes stem cell growth and differentiation. This also enhances cardiovascular stem cell function. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher, contains flavonoids and antioxidants that support stem cell function and reduce oxidative stress. This also improves blood flow. Garlic. Rich in allicin and sulfur containing compounds that have anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Garlic enhances stem cell function by reducing oxidative stress and promotes cardiovascular health. Ginger. Ginger contains gingerol and other anti-inflammatory compounds. This reduces inflammation, enhances tissue healing, and supports healthy stem cell activity.